We all have a natural bias working against us when it comes to understanding children. And that bias is that our brains prefer a simple falsehood over a complex truth. And so we often get irritated with our students' behavior or their lack of progress or their attitude, and we think that they're being lazy or stubborn or being hyperactive or being disobedient even. We often give them subconsciously labels like slow learner or a challenging student or a picky student or a stubborn student. But what's really happening is that our brain is actually giving them this simple label. And unfortunately, the simple label is often false. It's the thing that actually we put on a student, and it's not nearly what's happening inside a student's mind and inside a student's body. But if we take time to understand the things about children that are important, the ways that they process things, the ways that they feel things, and things that we've completely forgotten as adults, it not only makes a huge difference in their progress, but it also helps us with our attitudes and our interactions with students. It helps us be less frustrated and helps us enjoy teaching more, and it helps the whole learning process be more enjoyable for everyone. So I hope that you'll consider joining me for the workshop, Have You Forgotten What It's Like to Be a Child? I'll be talking about 6 characteristics of childhood that we have all forgotten, including me. I still need to be reminded about them, and then lots of ways to apply them immediately to teaching. Lots of teachers who have taken this workshop live have said how much it not only affects their teaching and their interaction with student, but even helps them in some cases parent and grandparent better. So it's one of my favorite workshops to give because it's so exciting to know that it's immediately useful and that everyone can apply these things. So I hope you'll consider joining me live on February the 1st. We'll be giving 2 workshops on that day. You can choose your time. And then if you can't make those, you can also watch the replay. So I hope you'll join me on February the 1st and hope to see you then.